Greeting of the day to everybody. I am Mamta Sagar from Department of Bioinformatics, teaching you today the topic natural resources. So, students, on the last turn we have discussed about the introductory aspects of the natural resources and about the forest resources. Okay. So, we have discussed about the types of natural resources, different types of natural resources, mineral resources, forest resources. Okay, and we have also discussed about the detail of the forest resources. Okay, so today in this class we will study about the forest resources. What are the problems that is associated with the forest resources and how we can manage the forest resources using joint management activities. So what are these activities we will discuss today, and what are the different problems that is associated with the natural resources. So we will discuss it in this lecture. Okay. So the first of all, this is the main problem, deforestation. Deforestation is the main problem of the forest ecosystem. Deforestation refers to the loss of forest cover land. So that is permanently converted from forest to agricultural land. Golf courses, cattle pastures, home, lakes or desert. Because we do the deforestation for the sake of the increased population, because we do not have any control on our population. So large population need the large urbanization on the large scale, and more agricultural land. We need to grow more food crops for them. So to serve the country we need this, but for the sake of all this activity we do the deforestation, so that directly impact our environment or our natural resources or human life also. So this is a danger for the human life. FAO, Food Agriculture Organization of UN, define the topical deforestation as, what is deforestation? Change of forest with depletion of tree grown cover. More than 90% depletion of forest trees. Okay. So cover less than 90% is considered forest degradation. Means out of 100%, if there is only 90%, okay, so that is called deforestation. 90% of the plants have been vanished out from that area, so that is called deforestation. Suppose there is a plantation of 100 trees, and if the 10 trees are left there in that forest, that is called deforestation. Actually human population used to do the deforestation, and they plant the 10 trees, or only the 10 trees are remaining there out of 100, so that is also a kind of deforestation. Deforestation means 90% of the forest cover have been vanished out from that area. Causes of deforestation: agriculture, because for more population we need the more food. More food means we need to grow the more crops. Okay, and because agricultural land we are utilizing for the urbanization, so this will lead to the more deforestation, because now we need the agricultural land. Agricultural land we have utilized for making home, for urbanization. Okay, consequently we will utilize the forest for to develop the agricultural land. So this is a depletion. Okay, this is also the main cause of the deforestation. Conversion of forest to agricultural land to feed growing number of peoples. Okay, so growing population is our main problem. We have also discussed this cause in our previous lectures. Commercial, we supply the world market with woods such as Meranti, teak, mahogany, ebony. So requirement of these plants, these are the precious plants. Okay, so requirement of these plants is high. that destroy the trees as well as the opening up forest for agriculture. So okay, so there is the commercial exploitation of these trees. So this is also the main cause of deforestation. Okay. And agriculture is also one cause. So for the deforestation, by the deforestation we convert the forest land into the agriculture land, and commercial logic play an important role in this. This enhance this actually, facilitate the development of agriculture field for the sake of like requirement of these precious trees, mera, teak, mahogany, ebony in the furniture or other things. So it leads to the destruction of the tree, destroy of the forest trees. Cutting of trees for firewood, building materials, the heavy lopping of foliage for fodder, and heavy grazing of sapling by domestic animals like goat. So cutting trees for fire, but rate is very limited for this. So commercial logging is the main cause, we can say. Increased population, commercial losing of the tree, and cutting of the tree for firewood. This is, I think, the rate is very low because the firewood tribal population and rural population used to burn the trees, firewood for making food, building material, and heavy lopping of foliage for fodder, and heavy grazing of sapling by domestic animals like goat. So they also use the trees. The tribal population is also dependent on them. This is also one of the cause. But this is, I think, this is not on the large scale, because the for the urbanization also we need the furniture wood on the large scale. And tribal population that is living near to the forest, I think they also require that. So this also play the role in the deforestation. But they are looking after the forest and forest trees. So this is the forest are the main part of their livelihood. So they are totally dependent on that. They have no options because they live in the wooden house. So the forest become the essential part of their life. So we will discuss this. What is the role of these tribal people or rural people in the. Now the government is also making some committees with the local people to run these activities, the forest, to manage the forest systems smoothly. The cash crop economy, raising cash crop for increased economy. Okay. So for the increased economy, the raising cash crops. Okay, mining, increase in population. The need also increase and utilize the forests. So these are also the other causes that leads to the deforestation. Okay. So far, if we do the mining, if there is the more number of trees there, so they will do the deforestation to mine something. Okay. Cash crop economy, increase in population. So these are also the causes. Increase in population, of course, this is the first of the cause for all the environmental problem. Increase in the population, especially in the developing countries. Urbanization and industrialization. Why urbanization and industrialization? Because the large population need the urbanization and industrialization on the large scale. Urbanization, because the large population need more house, and industries, more industry to serve those population. So there are some restrictions that we should not do the urbanization on the green belt. So everybody should follow that. So sometimes there is a violation of these things. So but the people are not aware, because we are not aware for our environment. So we do not participate. There are some rules and acts that we can protect the plants, trees, and we can stop the cutting of the trees. But we are not aware about those rules, and those rules and acts are not enforced in the developing countries. So we are not, because the normal population are not aware for that. Like what will happen if we cut down the tree? There is a punishment, but nobody knows. We are not aware. We should study the rules and regulations and legislations. What are those rules, so that we can stop the illegal cutting of the trees. Like in the Himachal Pradesh, if you go in the Himachal Pradesh, there is a restriction on cutting down of the trees. If there is a tree between the roads, so even we do not have the permission to cut down that trees. So all the trees will remain like that, no matter what is the position of the trees. So we need to take the permission, but we should be aware the Indian population or the population of developing countries where these problems are occurring, so they should be aware, so that they can save their forest, because these are the important part of our life. These are the important resources, and our natural resources are equivalent to money. Mineral exploration, to mine, to extract the minerals, metals from the land, we do the deforestation. So there is some precious element in the land, we used to extract those things from the land. So mineral exploration is one of the cause. So we can compromise that this cause. This is essential, because the minerals are essential for us, metals are also essential for us. That is the part of our daily life. But everything we should do in the control. Like urbanization, there should be control on that. Mineral exploration, because this is associated with the economy also, so we do this, but we should do the plantation if we are doing this for the sake of mineral exploration, for the sake of urbanization, industrialization, but we should plant the trees. But this is the problem, that we can't grow the forest in one day. Like we plant some trees and take the snaps. Okay. Because forests are not grown in the 1 day, 2 days or 1 year. It takes many years to develop the forest. So we should think, we should stop the deforestation immediately, and we should select the land for mining or for other purposes, urbanization, that is barren land. Okay, so that is the best we should do. We should fulfill our duty to save the environment if we need the good environment to live. Construction of dam and reservoir, this is also necessary thing. Construction of dam, I think this is necessary to make the dams, because to stop the floods or to control the flow of water, dams are necessary, obviously. So at some of the places that becomes the essential requirement. So there we can do some deforestation wherever it is required. It should not be done on the green belt. So construction of the dam should be planned. It should be planned accordingly, so that we can save our forest. Obviously, the construction of dam is necessary, and reservoirs, water reservoirs, that is also one necessary part of our life, because the flood will come, that will vanish the life of nearby area. That also another problem. So there is a watershed management and other activities that is done by the different government committees. Infrastructure development. So infrastructure development is one of the cause, like this is the part of urbanization, and we develop the infrastructure for industry and for the homes. So there is a different kind of infrastructure that is developed by the deforestation, like they use the plants or other things, plants wood, or land is also required because the requirement of more land is the cause of the more land for the urbanization and industrialization leads to this problem. Okay. So the one of the best ideas is to use the barren land. Like in the Noida area, Greater Noida, there was some barren land that has been utilized for the urbanization, like Greater Noida, So there is a problem in the soil in some of the area. So it has been utilized. Although there is a large open area in the Greater Noida, the large broadways. So there is a compulsion to plant the trees in front of the home, and 25% of the land of your plot should be free for the plantation. So there is a rule. So this kind of policy we should develop, like whoever will develop the industry or home, they should plant the tree in front of their home. This kind of solution should be developed. So in Greater Noida it is compulsory. Okay. So because Greater Noida, like this is the plant city. So in the plant city it happens. So these cities are well developed, like Chandigarh, Greater Noida, Ahmedabad. These are the examples of Bangalore. These are the examples of plant city. So city, the urbanization should be planned. Okay, whatever land that is unutilized for the agriculture, and if there is no forest, so we can utilize that land. Forest fire is also one of the cause of deforestation. Before the 2-3 years, there is a forest fire becomes high, very high. It occurred, incidents. Forest fire incidents happened at a very high rate before the 2-3 years, and in most of the areas. Okay. So what is forest fire? If there is a high temperature in the summer or this, so the forest trees, they also release the energy, and there are some of the plants that have the high oil content. Okay, so that can be burned. If in the high heat, they can be burned. So we should regulate these events like flood, forest fire. We have the good departments like ISRO, IARS, forest management. So we should manage all these activity. All the issues will come in the disaster management. There are several courses that is to teach you regarding the disaster management. In that we can be aware. We can be aware in the advance. So we can manage those events if we are aware in the advance what will happen in the future, like earthquake. So forecasting should be there. Forecasting on the time. Message should be delivered on the time. How this is happening? The flood is coming and vanishing the whole area, village. Why this is happening? When we have the good system, education system, forecasting system, we can deliver the message on the time, so that everybody can be aware. There is a system actually. There is a system that can predict when the rainfall will be. We can know the rainfall will be there or no. We can know the earthquake will be there or flood. So why we can't manage? Why we can't prepare in the advance for these types of event? Forest fire, it is going on uncontrollably. It is going on. So why we cannot control these events? We should know how to manage this. So there is the several courses, disaster management. So it should be taught, I think. 1 or 2 papers should be there, so that the people can also be aware of what are these events and why this is happening. And the the forest department and other department, that is environment department, they should deliver the message timely, so that the local population and all the population can be aware. So it is the duty of individual also, and those department also, कि message should be delivered on time, because we have the good systems, so we can prepare in the advance. Human encroachment and exploitation. Obviously, human is utilizing all the resources, forest resources. So this is the need. We are totally dependent on the plants for our food, for making homes, for the industry, for furniture. So we are dependent on the plants. So what happens if there will be no plants? There will be so many problems. But we should think this is our life. If we are doing the deforestation at the present rate, what will happen to our future generation? They will not be getting anything. No food, no rainfall. If there will be no plant, there will be no rainfall. So the cycle will become disturbed, water cycle, other things. There will be so much problems in the environment. So we should keep control on our activities. The human intervention is the one of the cause for disturbing the environment. Deforestation we done. The human is cutting down the trees. So on the shake of by the name of different activities. Pollution due to the acid rain. So this is there is the pollution in some of the industrial cities. Near to the industrial cities there is the acid rain. So acid rain harm the plant like mango and other trees, fruit plants. Okay, that is grown near to the industrial area. So in Kanpur also you can see there is the spots. There are different spots, yellow, dark yellow spots on your car, on your bikes. You can see sometime. So that is the acid rain. I have seen them. I have observed the acid rain in the Kanpur city. So sometimes in the scooty, in your car, you can see. On the white color car, you can easily see that spots, yellow, greenish and yellowish spots. So that is symbol of acid rain. So acid rain, why this happen? Like the mixture of the HCl or HNO3 in the rain. Okay, that gives to the rainfall. Acid rain. Environmental effect, consequences of the deforestation. Okay, so these were all the causes of the deforestation. Now we will study. Now we will encount. Now we will make a list. What are the consequences if there is a deforestation? There will be food problem that I have already told you. If there will be no plant, you will not get the food. Nobody will get the food. Ecological imbalance. Like if there will be no plant, then who will consume the CO2? Who will produce this oxygen for us? So our environment will lack of the oxygen. We will not be getting the proper oxygen to breathe. We will not be able to breathe. So there will be ecological imbalance. Increasing CO2 amount will be increased. Okay. Carbon dioxide will be increased in the atmosphere and oxygen will be reduced now to 20%, so it will be reduced. Okay. Nowadays you are seeing that in the corona patient there is a lack of oxygen. So what will happen if there is a more deforestation? The people will face more problem. Okay, there will be more death rate in that condition if there is a more deforestation. So we should stop the deforestation immediately and we should develop to increase the forest cover. Flood leading to soil erosion. Floods. So floods vanish the top fertile layer of the soil. Okay, on which the plants are grown, the fertile crops are grown. The crops are grown on the fertile layer of the soil. So sometimes the top layer of the soil, that is called humus, that is vanished by the floods. So that is the problem. There may be the problem because the plant used to protect us from the floods. If there is a more number of trees, there is the flow of water can be decreased and there will be the floods can be stopped and soil erosion can be stopped. Destruction of the resources. Okay, so destruction of the resources, because we take everything from the like furniture, everything from the forest, so we are dependent for our need. So this is also the destruction of the resources. If the forest has been converted into the agricultural land, now we have no forest. So this is the destruction of the resources. If we are using the plant, okay, use that, but there should be the forest. Do not destroy the whole forest for the sake of urbanization or industrialization. If you need the few trees, you can use them, but in the limit or in the control. But we should not do the deforestation, depletion of whole forest. No. Okay, and we should plant the trees. If we are taking something from there, if we are taking the one tree, we should plant the one tree or two trees there. Heavy siltation of dams. If there will no plants, so this is the cause of deforestation. Means the dams will be in the danger because they also need the support. The plants and the forest area. Okay, so they also participate in the control of the floods. Changes in the microclimate. So in our environment there will be the changes. Okay, that will affect our life or vital activities, our breathing problem, something. So there will be problem. There will be more pollution because plant protect us, plant provide us the fresh air to breathe. Loss of biodiversity. There will be low number of diverse plants or animals because nowadays there are some varieties that you can see only in the national park, botanical garden, plant varieties or animal varieties. But the animals, those animals or plant, precious animals, precious flowering plants, you are not able to see in the future, or some of them have been disappeared in the current time, and some of the species you will not be able to see in the future, or your future generation will not see those flowers in the future, whatever you are seeing in the present time. So there is a loss of biodiversity. Like you are seeing the lion disappears from the forest. Okay, there are the different varieties of animals, rhinoceros. So we will lose them. So our future generation will not see what is the lion. And we used to make home like zoological park, national park for lion, but we are unable to provide the sufficient food for them. For lion, we cannot provide the sufficient food in the zoo, in the zoological park. They cannot feed we cannot feed their hunger. So they are bad. Because the animals can live their life in the natural atmosphere, in natural forest, okay. And what are the measures of conservation strategies are used? We will discuss in the next two lectures related to the biodiversity. Desiccation of previously moist forest soil. Okay, moist forest soil, they can be desiccated, or there can be dryness in the soil if there will be no plant, because plant root area that absorb the moisture, that provide the water, they can hold up the water, so that the soil become moist, and that becomes more fertile. But there will be problem if there will be no forest, because the plant leaves are degraded there in the moist soil. They become part of the fertile land. After the degradation and slow decomposition of the leaves, the soil becomes more fertile. But if there will be no plants, so there will be no fertile soil. Where we will grow the crops if there will be no fertile land? So these are the serious problems associated with the deforestation. Heavy rainfall and high sunlight quickly damage the topsoil in clearing of tropical rainforest. So there is already problem by the heavy rainfall and heavy sunlight. So quickly it can damage. Okay. In such circumstances, forest will take much longer to regenerate. Okay. Because the forest took obviously if we want to see the long height of the plant, it can't be grown in the one day. It takes more than years, okay, to see the forest. The land will not be suitable for agriculture use for quite some time, okay. So by the heavy rainfall, the fertile soil will be vanished, topsoil will be damaged, so we also can't grow the good crops on that land. So This will serve no purpose. For the industry we can utilize that land. What is the benefit of this? If we are losing our precious trees, forests. If forests are replanted, their replacement can mean a loss of equality. So forests are replanted, but replacement can mean a loss of equality. So loss of quality, obviously we cannot grow the forest if we cannot make the sugar in the lab using the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. So in the same way we cannot make the actual forest. So actual forest is automatically developed in the nature. Only nature can plant that. So there will be the loss of quality if we do the reforestation, or if we develop the forest, there will be loss of quality. Loss of future market for ecotourism. The value of the forest is always often higher when it is left standing than it could be worth when it is harvested. Okay. So the value of the forest is often higher when it is left standing, when it is actually there. So the value of that forest is high, then it could be worth when it is harvested. After harvesting there will be no plant. So we should do the harvesting at the limited rate. Some indigenous people way of life and survival are threatened by the loss of the forest. Fewer trees result in insecure future for forest workers. Okay, because forest worker used to live near to the forest, so the indigenous peoples face so much problem. If there is a loss of forest, several people are dependent on those forests, their life is threatened by this activity. Next, deforestation can cause the climate to become extreme in nature. Climate will become extreme. There will be a hot summer, very hot summer. Occurrence and strength of floods and droughts affecting the economy. So this will affect the economy. If we will create the problem for the rural population, tribal people, this will also affect our economy, because they also participate in our economy. So we should take care of their life also. The tribal population, the rural population that is living near to the forest area. So their life is on threat. Should stop immediately the deforestation. The stress of environmental change make some species more susceptible to the effect of insects, pollution, disease and fire. So if there is so much environmental change, this will lead to the more pollution, more disease, more fire, more insects. So environment will become like that if there is a no forest. You can see there is a more smell on that area. It is devoid of any small trees or small herbaceous plant, or so much problem. Most humid regions change to desert. Okay, that will be changed. Okay, so there are chances if there will be no tree, so in the future the soil will get affected. So there will be, that may lead to the conversion of that area into the desert. Because there is a deforestation, again there is a due to the heavy rainfall, the topsoil can also be vanished. So after that, subsequently there will be the formation of desert soil. Okay, this may be the problem. Environmental pollution, there may be the more pollution, maybe sure this will lead to the increase in pollution, and that will threat to our life. For everybody, environment, and we all are affected by the environment, not only the tribal people. Okay, because we cannot stop the movement of air, the flow of the water, flow of the air, we cannot stop. Global warming, conservation, So there can be the alarming issues with the global warming, the more rise in the temperature. With the global warming, there are some gases. The global there may be the increase in the content of the the gases that participate in raising the temperature of Earth. The conservation derived from so they can be the global warming problem. So more CO2, more CH4. These are the name of few gases that increase the temperature of the Earth. So by the pollution, because these gases play an important role in the pollution, and the temperature of the environment or the Earth become high. So that is a global warming problem. So conservation word derived from the two words con together. Surveyor means to keep, or guard measures means we should be togetherly. We should conserve our forest, our plants, or our all the resources. So an act of the preservation or to keep together. So we should keep together, and we should take care of the we should guard forest or all the resources. We should take care of our all the resources, because that is equivalent to money. So we should conserve, we should participate in the conservation. We should adapt the conservation concept in the conservation: restraining cutting of trees and submerging the forest. Reforestation means replantation of the trees. Afforestation means we should conserve our forests like that. We should allow all the forests to remain in the same condition, and we should take care of that. Afforestation means how much forest we have, we should take care of them at the present. We should not cut down the trees. If we cannot replant, so we should not also cut down the trees. So afforestation, we should maintain our forest. Whatever we have today, we should maintain that also. We should maintain. Control forest disease and forest fire. Recycling forest products. So these also play in the forest fire. So these are the concepts in the conservation. We should think about this issue. So we should take care. We should control the disease that is occurring in the forest, and we should control the forest fire. We should apply the management activity, forest management activity. What are these activities? We should be aware about those activities. Recycling forest products. So recycling of forest products, this is also how we should keep control on all these activities to preserve our forest. So we should be aware what are the disaster management activities, what are the different activities, so that we can save our environment. This is the duty of everybody. Replacing forest products. Avoid diversion of forest land for other activities through act like Forest Conservation Act and Wildlife Protection. There are some acts. We should be aware what is this act. So avoid diversion of forest land for other activities through act like forest. Bringing awareness among people, Chipko movement, Apiko, Narmada, Bachavan. So these are the different andolans, the name of movements which have been raised in favor of the forest, to save the forest. The people of the local community and tribal community fought to save the plant. So sometimes there is a problem, sometimes there is some of the industrialization that is done, and government also participate in that, but now there is a joint management activities between the government and tribal people. So there is a lack of communication between government and the local people, but now there are the several activities that is used to manage the forest. Implanting people's participatory program like joint forestry management. This is the name of the joint forestry management, in which the government takes the help of the local people and the committee that so both of them look after the trees. Reforestation efforts, planting of sapling, Department of Environment, Science and Technology. So these are the names of the department. They participate in these activities, and to manage the plant, joint management activity. Joint forest management. So these are the activities, how the different committees are made. I think this is enough for today. We will discuss the joint management activities in the next lecture. Okay, this is enough for today. So we should be aware, we should immediately stop the deforestation. Okay, we have studied about what is the deforestation problem. This we have studied in the detail, how it can be stopped, what are the consequences, that all everything we have studied. How we can manage, what we can do. Okay, what are the consequences of deforestation, why we are doing the deforestation, all the consequences, and all the everything we have discussed. Now in the next lecture we will discuss about the joint forest management, how we can manage, and there are some movement. We will also discuss about the movement like CHIPCO and other movements. Okay. So this is the reference. So the lecture has been prepared using the following notes: ICAR Environmental Study ebook. Okay. Now lecture is over.